getting low-level fatal error? An Unreal process has crashed UE-G1R or GPU crash dump triggered while launching or playing Gothic 1 Remake on PC. These Unreal Engine errors can cause the game to crash on startup, freeze, or suddenly close to desktop. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 installer. Download the x64 installer. Double-click the x86 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Double-click the x64 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Search for Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. You can also click on Search for updated drivers in Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. Now wait for your PC to be updated to the latest version. First, open your browser. Search for NVIDIA App Download. Click on NVIDIA App Download. Press Download Now. Wait for the installer to be downloaded. Double-click the installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press on Agree and Continue. Click on the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. Now press Download. Wait for the latest driver to be installed. Press Install. Press Yes. Select Express Installation. Press Continue. Now wait for the latest NVIDIA to be installed.